Assalamu alaikum, 7th class. Hope you're all fine. Subject Computer Science, Unit number 6, Electronic Mail. Students, today we are going to start our new topic, that is 6.2, creating an email account, and it's on page number 132. We know that to send and receive email, we have to register with an email service provider by creating an account or signing up for an account. One of the best free web-based email service providers is Google. Its email service name is Gmail. In order to create an email account or Gmail domain, follow these steps. Students, as you know, for sending and receiving an email, first we have to register an email account. Here we are using the Gmail. This is the best free web-based email service providing by Google. For creating an email account, we have to follow some steps. Number one step is click on Internet Explorer icon. The following window of Google homepage will appear. If not, then type www.google.com in address bar and press enter key. The Google's homepage will appear. Students, as you can see in the diagram, this is the Google homepage. Before going to the next step, students, you need to know that the four most popular email services are Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, and iCloud. Gmail is one of the most popular email service. Every email or Gmail account serves 10.1 GB of free email storage. Microsoft originally started out with Windows Live, then purchased Hotmail and developed their popular Outlook service. Accounts of Outlook are given 5 GB of free space. Yahoo or Ymail or Rocket Mail offers an unlimited amount of storage space, which is a huge incentive for those who tend to keep a ton of emails. Apple's iCloud email features are not as advanced as Gmail or Outlook. Now the second step is click on Gmail at the top right corner of the page. Student, as you can see in the diagram, this is the Gmail icon that is present on the top right corner of the page. When you click on the Gmail icon, the Gmail page will appear. Welcome to Gmail. This is the Gmail window. Now you can see here is the option of create an account. Now the fourth step is to create new account, create an account. The following sign up window will appear. When you click on the option of create an account, this window will appear on your computer screen, which is used to create a new account. Some information will be required like name, choose your username, create a password, confirm your password, birthday, gender, mobile phone, etc. Now the step number 5. To set up your new account, Google needs some information about you like your first and last name, username. It is a unique email address that you wish to use, which will be placed before at gmail.com, and then fill rest of your information. Tick I agree to the Google terms of service and privacy and then click next step. As I told you before, students, to set up your new account, it needs some information like your first and last name, username, which will be placed before at gmail.com. Gmail.com is the domain name, and then you have to click on the term I agree to the Google's term of service and privacy. Next, you have to click on the next step. When you create your profile page, then the following create page will appear. This is the final new profile page of your email. Now the step number 6. If you do not wish to have a picture on the web, click next. No thanks. Step 2. Complete setting up your email account. If you do, click on add profile photo and find a photo to add, and then next step. Number 7. Now you have set up your account. After clicking next button few times, you can go straight to your inbox and get started by clicking go to Gmail button. Students, if you want to wish to have a picture on your display, then click add profile photo, and if you don't want to add your profile picture, then click no thanks. Now the next step is you have to click the next buttons few times, and then you can go to your inbox and get started your email account. This is the final Gmail inbox window that includes inbox, steered, sent mail, draft and more. And this is the compose button. This is your Gmail ID and these are the mails that you have received. Now students, come to the exercise. Today we are going to cover exercise A, question number 9. Give few advantages of email. Its answer is starting from the page number 127. Email is similar to writing letters and is a quick way of keeping in touch with other people. One email can be sent to more than one recipient at a time. Rest of the answer is on page number 128. You have to write these points in the advantages of email. Remember student, this address danimoin@live.com is not included in your answer. Now the question number 10. What is the function of email address? Its answer is on page number 127. It is just like a letter that is sent via the internet to the recipient. An email address is required to receive email and that address is unique to the user. Students, you have to learn these questions. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.